Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, Government of India has banned TikTok and 59 other apps from Google Play Store. So you will no longer be able to download TikTok from Google Play Store. But even if you have TikTok installed on your phone, you cannot browse any of the videos. The URL itself is blocked. Now to watch videos on TikTok, there is a simple workaround, and that is by using VPN, and we will see that how to do it. Even if you browse TikTok from browser, you get this error. Even from browser you cannot browse any of the TikTok videos. Now to make it work, go to Google Play Store, install a VPN. There are many VPNs. If you search, you get some of them are free and some of them are paid. I use secure VPN. This free high speed VPN that you get, it has more than 10 million downloads. So you open it, install it, you get this interface, and you just have to click connect. It automatically selects a country and it's showing it's connected now. You can even see the icon at the top that it's connected. Now open the browser, go to tiktok.com again, and you'll see the TikTok is coming up here, and you can watch the videos. To watch videos, click on watch now at the top here, and it'll start seeing TikTok videos. But since it's connected to a different country, you will see TikTok videos of that country. You better sign in with your email ID by pressing this icon at the bottom right, so that it shows videos based on your interest. You can even upload video and check notification. You cannot watch TikTok on the app, so it's better you uninstall the app itself. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video soon. Till then, have a nice time.